Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set a watermark behind the page or use as a background. Open your PDF file. Now select organize option and select your watermark option and select add watermark, and this is text watermark and type your watermark name, background, type, and you can change this water opacity, this rotation, this scale, and here you will find as watermark. And see this watermark is behind this text and image. Also change this position, center. Now simply select OK, and see this all of this watermark now inserted behind this page and images. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.